Hello guys, welcome back to another helpful video from Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you buy USDT into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to go over trades, and after going into trades you just simply have to select USDT in here, which is already selected into top, and if it isn't selected you just simply have to tap into this icon right here, and after tapping into there you can select whole bunch of options into here. You just simply have to find out USDT and just simply select the type of USDT that you would like to buy. For example, I'm selecting this, and then after that you have to choose this buy option and select the limit, and it will show the price. Now you just simply have to enter the amount which you would like to buy, and then it will calculate all the amounts and dues into here, and then you just simply have to tap into buy your selected option. In my case it is excess, so it is showing this, and just simply tap into that and you have to buy using any of these three methods. But in order to buy, firstly you have to verify your Binance account. This way you can easily buy USDT into your Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.